Kondosan.
Artist was worn out from painting until midnight, telling herself, only my paintings can cheer me up in this rainy weather. There was a knock on the door, just as she was about to go to bed.
I wonder who can it be at this hour in this downpour?
Hello, I'm sorry to disturb you at this late hour.
Is there a problem, Mr. Police?
I saw something.
What did you see?
I don't know what it was. It was quite strange.
And what can I do for you?
Would you be able to draw a picture of it if I told you what it looked like? This way I can show it around.
Please, have a seat. Let me get a pencil and paper.
The police officer sat down, but his heart was beating fast with excitement.
Here I am. You can tell me now.
It was 2 meters tall. No, 3 meters. And its torso was short and the legs were long.
You said its torso. How big was its torso?
Its torso was the same size as your entire body.
As big as my body? Huh?
It had a very long tail. Its head was huge for its body. There were no eyes or nose on its face.
Sir, I have never seen nor heard of anything like this. I've never read about this on the internet or in books. Are you sure that you were not dreaming?
Yes, I'm sure. One arm was short and the other one was very long and had 20 fingers.
This is quite a weird creature. It sends shivers down my spine.
I'm sure that someone else also saw the creature. I'll make copies of this drawing and post it everywhere. I'll bet someone else saw it.
Well, I hope nobody has seen such a thing. Good luck with that.
Artist's drawing was finished. It turned out to be a shapeless and slightly scary picture. It was very ugly and strange looking.
If that's all you want to draw, the picture is done.
Oh, God bless your hands. Well done. It looks exactly as whatever I saw. I'll go now. Thank you so much.
After the police officer left, Artist couldn't fall asleep. Her drawing was still on her mind.
What a strange drawing that was. Brrr, I'm shaking like a leaf. But I'm sure there's an explanation for this.
In the morning, Artist's goat was still thinking about it. She left the house and saw that copies of her drawing were posted on some of the trees on the farm. She took one and asked people passing by whether they had seen such creature.
Oh, was that you, Artist? I'm so sorry. I spooked you.
No problem. I showed everyone the drawing, but nobody has ever seen such a creature. Are you still sure you saw it?
I am sure. Come, let me show you exactly where I saw it.
The police officer takes Artist to the barn.
That's where I saw it.
But yesterday I was here too, and I saw nothing.
Look, everything is all strewed on the ground. That thing messed it up. There was a can of paint over there, and it's gone now.
Paint container?
When the policeman mentioned a can of paint, Artist looked around and immediately understood what had happened.
So, the beast had very long legs.
The policeman looked at Artist a little confused, trying to understand what she was doing.
Yes, yes, very long legs.
Then Artist ties the rope hanging from the wall to her waist.
And a very long tail.
Yes, yes, it's got a very long tail.
What else did it have?
Wait! Are you saying that the monster was you? But the long arms and 20 fingers?
I couldn't reach the can over there. I used this mop to reach it.
No, no, but it didn't have any eyes, mouth, or nose. It was making strange sounds.
Artist's goat takes the bucket on the shelf and puts it on her head.
A bucket like this? It fell on my head.
At that very moment, there was lightning flash, and the light filtered the room by where the officer was.
I get it now. I was afraid of you. I've been looking for you since last night.
I didn't know that I was drawing myself as a scary monster last night.
Good thing I came across you now. Otherwise, I would have been looking for this weird thing for days, maybe months.
I never thought I'd be such a terrifying creature.
It was a very hectic day for Athlete Goat. She thought she was almost done, but she still hadn't done half of her tasks.
Oof! This list is so long. I must get half a kilo of lemons, 20 strawberries, flour from the bakery, milk from cows, eggs from chickens, then go to the spice shop and get ingredients for the salad. Athlete, this long list is nothing. You can do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Athlete ran her errands as quickly as she could, getting all the items she needed.
Who was that? Athlete Goat? Is she getting ready for a race again?
Wolf was curious, so he followed Athlete. No matter how well Wolf tried to hide from Athlete, she noticed him.
Oh! I was almost caught.
What's up, Athlete? You seem to be in a hurry today.
Oh, I'm a little busy. Stylish is organizing a party.
It sounds like it's going to be a nice party tonight. Won't you have me for a bit?
I need to go.
Athlete returned home with the items she bought. Her sister, Stylish, was waiting for her.
Where have you been?
Oh, Wolf almost caught me.
Ah, is he coming?
No. I said I was in a hurry and then left.
Come on, let's get started.
The sisters went to the kitchen. Stylish was baking a beautiful fancy cake. After all, a party wouldn't be one without a cake. Athlete wanted to prepare something healthy yet delicious, so she made a lemon salad using fresh greens. Let the goats work. Wolf was at it again. He chunked some salad into his mouth.
Ugh, it's too sour.
Oh, what are you doing here, Wolf?
I came to see if you needed help. Good thing I came because you can't even make a salad. This is too sour.
It will be so if you don't toss it. Let me work. Leave. I have things to do.
Okay, I'm leaving. What a delicious salad you have.
We were almost caught, Stylish.
Yes, almost.
What's wrong with them? All I wanted was a little taste. They don't know how to share. I'll teach them.
As he walked away, Wolf saw the decorated cake from the other window, and he started drooling, of course.
La 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 la.
Wow! Look at that cake! Stylish did a good job baking it. I don't think anybody will notice if I take a little piece.
Stylish noticed Wolf as he was trying to secretly get a piece.
Wolf, you ruined my cake. Shame on you. Leave at once.
No! Shame on you! What could happen if I take a piece?
You can't. The cake needs to be frozen anyway.
What if I get some while it sits there?
No, it needs to cool.
This?
No, it needs to warm.
How about this one?
No. I said no.
Okay, I'm leaving. Oh, I burnt my tongue too hot! Mommy!
Wolf got hot pepper among the food instead and ran away. Finally, everything was finished. There was a lot of food on the table and a huge cake in the middle that would make anybody drool. What a feast! But Wolf got angry because he couldn't taste the food.
They'll pay for this. They will see. That goes there, and this goes here. It's done!
Wolf placed Inventor Goat's newest invention, exploding candies, inside all the food and hid behind a tree.
Let's call Wolf now.
Okay, I'll call him now. Wolf! Wolf!
What? Are they calling me? Hey you! Are you calling me?
Yes, come here.
Happy birthday, Wolf! Happy birthday, Wolf!
Huh? Oh! Are these for me? Really? For me? My dearest friends!
Of course, despite your misbehavior, we had to celebrate your birthday. You are our only wolf.
Am I right? I'm so handsome too.
But also a little bit sour.
And sometimes hot.
Come on, enjoy now.
The wolf was about to cut the cake, but remembered the exploding candles he had put into the cake. But it was too late.
What's going on?
Well, I wanted to contribute to dinner, so I put a couple of surprises in them.
You naughty wolf. Now you can't eat any of the food.
No, don't worry. It's okay. I still eat it. I never waste food.
Oh, wolf. Kondo-san.
One day, the little pigs felt bored because there was very little work to do in the forest. Suddenly, Minky had a brilliant idea.
Honky, Punky, why don't we start our own business?
I don't know. We will need gold, I guess.
Let's put together the gold we have. If that's not enough, we can ask Mom.
The three brothers put their gold together.
This may not be enough to start a business.
So, what are we going to do? Minky, you make delicious cakes. What if we open a pastry shop or a coffee shop?
No, I've got it. We'll open a sushi restaurant. There isn't any in town. Mommy, since we're grown up now, we want to work.
We want to open our own shop. At first, we thought of a pastry shop. Then we thought a coffee shop would be better.
We finally decided to open a sushi restaurant. However, we don't have enough gold. Will you help us?
That's a great idea. I would be happy to help. Let's check how much gold I have.
They all started counting the gold coins that their mother had saved in a jar in the kitchen.
249, 250. All are yours. I guess this will be enough.
The three little pigs got to work at once. They started looking for a suitable shop where they could open the restaurant. Finally, they found a small shop by the lake and started renovations. Honky hung the paintings. Ponky set the tables. Minky made the sushi dishes. When he heard the news, the wicked wolf went to the restaurant right away. He observed the piglets and got very jealous.
This was actually my idea. I wanted to open a restaurant. You can't steal my idea.
He entered the restaurant and walked towards Honky, who was painting the walls.
Look here. Watch out. I will pour your paint.
Poor Honky. All the paint spilled on the floor. Then the wicked wolf walked towards Ponky, who was setting the tables.
And now watch. Check this out. I'll knock over your tables.
Minky was worried and wondered what he would do next.
I must think quickly. What should I do? What should I do? I got it!
He hid behind the counter. When the wolf approached the kitchen counter, ready to huff and puff,
Welcome, Wolf. You can huff and puff, but first, allow me to offer you some delicious sushi. Then you can start whatever you want.
the wolf was astonished. Just as he was about to decline, the wonderful aroma coming from the kitchen hit his nose, making him hungry.
Well, since you insist, I'll eat a little bit.
Okay, I'm preparing your plate right now.
Minky put the sushi on a plate and smeared it with wasabi, the hottest spice. He handed the plate to the wolf.
Enjoy your meal.
The bad wolf licked the chopsticks and threw a piece in his mouth. The sushi was so hot that flames came out of his mouth. He ran to the lake to drink water as he screamed in pain.
Come on, guys, don't be afraid. Bad Wolf won't be coming here anytime soon. Let's continue. Honky, open a new can of paint. Ponky, tidy up the tables.
The three brothers got to work again as they were expecting their first guests in the evening. Finally, they hung the sign outside that said, 3 Piggies Sushi.
Ponky, turn on the lights. Honky, run to the door.
Welcome, madam.
Thank you. You are gorgeous. Everything looks perfect.
When their first guests arrived, the pig's mother and their friends all sat together at the table. Minky served them.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was great. It was delicious, Minky. The color palette and ambience are remarkable. Well done, Honky. And the table setting is very nice too. Well done, Ponky. Kids, I want to tell you something.
What is it, Mom?
I won't be cooking at home. From now on, we'll eat here every evening.
Honky, Ponky and Minky felt restless and bored after being cooped up at home.
Guys, I can't even raise my arm.
Look at my belly. Pretty soon I'll need someone to help me get up.
Hey, why not play some sports? We'll have a reason to get out of the house.
That's a great idea, Minky.
Yes, that's a cool idea. Let's talk to Mom.
Mommy, we want to start exercising. Can we go to jogging in the forest tomorrow?
The pigs were delighted. They woke up early in the morning, put on workout clothes and set out.
One, two, three, four. Piggies are here. Where is the wicked wolf? Piggies are here. Where is the wicked wolf?
Phew! I'm so tired. Let's take a break.
I'm so hungry. Can we eat the sandwiches Mom made for us, Minky?
Hey, it's only been 15 minutes since we set out, and we can still see the house. Guys, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
They continued on their way, running non-stop.
Hey, this doesn't look familiar. These trees were not close to our house.
These are ivy.
Look, there's a hidden house there. Let's check it out.
This is not a house, it's a library. Look, the sign is visible through the leaves.
It looks abandoned.
Nobody goes to the library anymore. We have smartphones and computers.
Let's take a look inside.
Is there anybody here?
It's so dusty.
Who's there?
Who are you?
An old friend, the wicked wolf.
Why did you lock us up? Open the door.
Why?
What do you want from us?
You're full of dust, but I'll clean you up later so that I can eat you. But first, I must do something else. Wait for me, little piggies. You can't escape anyway, right? See you later.
What are we going to do? The wicked wolf has cornered us.
Must find a solution, Minky. Come on, think. Ugh, my phone battery is low, and I don't have my charger.
This is a very old lock. I saw one like that in a book. Since every lock in the world is made to open, there must be a way.
But how?
There must be a way.
How do we find that book? The wolf can come in any minute.
Let's spread. Honky, you look at that library. Bunky, you there. And I'll check the back. Hurry up!
Not that. Oh, not that either.
World history. Not that. Around the world in 80 days. Not that either.
I got it! Secret of Flags! Here's the book we need!
The three brothers turned page after page. It was starting to get dark outside. Suddenly, they heard the wolf approach.
Here, this is the lock.
Yes! We did it! No one can imprison us.
Wait! I have a plan! I need a fishing line!
I must have one in my backpack. I still have Mom's sandwiches in here.
Don't eat them! We'll need them! Let's put the sandwiches there, Honky! Punky, hold the end of the fishing line! Let's tie it up!
The three brothers held one end of the fishing line, hid behind a tree, and waited for the wolf.
Piggies! I'm coming! Why is this door open? Where did these sandwiches come from?
Hold the fishing line!
Hey, what's going on here?
Now we locked you, Bad Wolf.
Don't worry, we saved you a sandwich because we're not wicked like you.
Get me out of here! I promise I won't hurt you. I can't even walk you back home. It's already dark.
No, thanks. Look, there's a book about lags. You can read it and let yourself out.
No, don't go! Don't leave me all here alone. I don't know how to read.
The three little pigs went home, happy to know they beat the wicked wolf once again.